Hey everyone, I'm Doug, one of the instructors here with Nautilus Sailing, coming at you live from beautiful Abacos, Bahamas. One of the most common questions we get here is whether or not you can actually learn how to sail in a week. The answer is absolutely, but with certain caveats. After 1 week of sailing experience, are you going to be joining the Olympic sailing team? Most likely not. But after 1 week with us, it's our goal and our mission to turn you into a proficient sailor that would be able to take any one of these catamarans out safely for a week and enjoy it with your friends and family. Whether or not you can learn how to sail in a week depends on how you define that. Do you think you're going to leave and be a master of sail trim? Maybe not. There is no substitute for experience. But by joining a week-long immersive course with us, we're going to give you the foundational blocks with which you can build that experience as time moves on. How much experience do you need to have to come on one of our courses? The answer is absolutely none. After 1 week of living on a boat, you're going to be having that time at the helm. Because of our small group size, you're going to get extra time with your instructor one-on-one. You're going to build these skills and proficiencies over the course of that week that you can take with you for the rest of your sailing career. So can you learn how to sail in a week? Absolutely, but you do have to take that first step. We encourage you to come join a sailing course with us. But first, take advantage of our Sailing Masterclass. By watching our Sailing Masterclass videos online, you can show up to the course with a fair amount of theory already under your belt so that we can spend even more time on the boat focusing on the skills that you will need to be a true successful sailor.